Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Sorry. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope you're having a beautiful Sunday, wherever you are. That you're having a happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. You are so appreciated, and just hoping that everyone is well and safe and enjoying life. I've been away for a little bit, having some health issues, but I'm back. And I hope you enjoy my videos, and I've got more to come. Gonna do a couple sneezes today. I've got Chinigdini powder on a little piece of paper. I hope this microphone is working out well. It's new, so we'll see how it works out. And let me know. Always be kind in the comments. I am a human being over here with feelings, so, if you can't say something nice, then just don't say it at all. All right. So, here we go. Do you like my dress? What do you think about it? Kind thoughts only, but, sometimes we gotta, express ourselves and say how we feel, even if it's, ultra positive. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see here. This stuff is so fun, and it's really healthy. Doesn't cause any problems. My light is so bright you cannot see it. But really, here it is. So, yeah, I get it from India. It takes a while to arrive. You can get it Amazon, I don't know, post a link or something, but I'm not selling it, and it's just like kind of an herbal sneezing powder to help get out sneezes, because a lot of times, if you're not around people, of course, sometimes we just need to clear out, our sinuses and get things cleared out, so it's that's a bit of it right there. Just let that open flow happen, so things can just go through and release. But by all means, have a private space. See, I'm there's nobody in here. Don't be around a bunch of people doing that. I have my own opinion on sneezes, but sometimes we're sick and we're sneezing, and sometimes just something just gets up there. I ride my bike and I've got bugs, and they just they fly up there. I'm sneeze. So yeah. So let's see. Sometimes I sneeze a lot from this, sometimes not that much. So we'll just be open and see how it goes. Okay. Sometimes I just have to breathe and just see if that helps. Maybe just a little bit more. I've been putting it on paper, but I wonder if I had it closed, because when I opened it, I was like, oh, some of it just escaped. So yeah, if I just like had it kind of close, does that do it? Ooh. Whoops. I'm glad that's not cayenne pepper because that did get in my eyes a little bit, but it doesn't burn that bad. It just, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop for a moment because, yeah. Anyway, we will continue this because I gotta get a little bit out of my eye that got in there, so on a paper lower is better, but not too bad. It is a little zingy in my eyes. But thanks for watching. Bye-bye.